Why do you come to assembly?
There's all the people you see down here and all the people here doing the demos. They're not only working on demos, but they're doing games. And I was just talking to the people going through all the intros and stuff, and I was told over 90% of them support ultrasound directly, which is our sound card. And the people that are here today are the people that are going to be writing the games in the future. And part of our long-term strategy at Gravis is to get the development support for our products. And that has to do with sponsoring these type of events and working with you guys.
Will you continue sponsoring in future?
In future, we were here last year. We were the main sponsor last year, and we're here again this year. So I think it's a pretty good track record. We've also done things at the Party 3 and at the Gathering, giving away prizes. So.
And what about next year?
I'll be here.
Most people know you from the Vector demo of Ultraforce. Have you doing something lately in the demo scene?
No, not quite in the demo scene, because I'm more interested in doing commercial stuff with earning money, and so I have to make a living and I have to make money to buy all the new computers, and so it costs a lot of money. It's interesting to make games anyway, and demos are cool for showing off and getting new routines to work. But oh well.
What about the rumor you are making a demo with Silence PC?
Well, it's still a rumor because the demo isn't released. So that's it.
Would you expect the gun to win at assembly?
If it was going to be finished, I guess we could have been in the top 3 or so.
But you didn't finish, so who you think will win in the demo competition?
I've heard some cool stuff about Legend design, and that's it. I don't know. I like the Iguana stuff. They had some new routines going on which were totally new. So I don't know. The major groups aren't contributing this time. So who knows? Next demo party maybe.
Are you enjoying the party so lately?
Well, yeah, it's pretty hot, but I'll get over it, and it's pretty short. So.
Is this time better than last year?
Well, the Megazone is pretty cool. I've not yet been there, but well, it's a nice development that there's like other things to do for the non-coders and the non-real heavy computer nerds out there. Because there's a lot of people coming here, just to see and just to that are interested in the scene, I guess. So, and I'm not sitting behind the computer 24 hours here, so it's cool to do other stuff.
Okay, well, we thank you for the interview and hope your game will be a success.
All right, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
of now. Who do you think will win the demo competition?
It's actually interesting. I found out that a lot of the big guys that I thought were going to be in the demo competition aren't going to be here. I haven't seen any of the big demos yet, but I heard Legend's got a good one, Iguana has a good one, and each of those groups thinks they're going to win. So I guess we'll see tonight at what, 3 in the morning, 2 in the morning? So.
Hey, last year you was also here. Did you like last year more, or is this time better?
This year's event is there's not only more people here, but it's better organized. It's the bigger screens. There's less things going wrong. I know the actual sponsors are not the sponsors, but the people putting on the event are having a better time with it too. So it's better organized this time.
Okay, thank you, Anthony. Thank you for the interview also.
Thank you, Lord Cyrix.
What do you think about the organizing and the assembly itself until now?
It's great. The party place is good, and the whole feeling is great.
Did you expect such a party like this, or did you thought it was bigger or better or lamer or not?
Oh, difficult question, but I guess I expect it like it is.
We haven't seen anything from Legion Design since a long time, and now you're making a very huge demo, I heard. Why you making one for assembly?
I guess it's the best PC party and the main event in the year, and so we decided to make it for assembly.
Okay, thank you. I hope you good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
I really don't know how the scene kind of started, but on the PC it was basically, I think some guys who saw what's happening on Amiga and on the Commodore 64 and tried to do something similar on the PC.
Yeah, but the real breakthrough of demo started with the demo called Chronologia. But since Chronologia, you didn't got so much huge productions. Why?
Well, the guys who did Chronologia, Iceman and Pharos, kind of quit coding for different reasons. Iceman because he lost interest, and Pharos because he was more interested in hardware, patching hardware and that kind of stuff. So we had a coder problem for a few years, but well, we're still around anyway.
Yeah, Cascada's also known as an organizing group of the the Easter party, but it was not held this year. You think it will be held next year?
Yeah, the Computer Crossroad is actually scheduled for 95 to 97, so it will most likely be held 95 also.
And who will organize it?
We'll organize the PC side, but it's actually the organization called the Computer Crossroad who organized the whole thing, so we'll just try to take care of the PC guys.
Hey, some people say that Iguana has a big chance to win. What do you think about yourself?
Oh, I think we will win.
He's quite confident. No, there are many cool works from other people, and it's going to be really hard. And even though future crew may not join the competition, but we will try.
How long did you work on the demo?
Oh, we started it like 1 year ago. You know, with a few effects and stuff. And well, we were making effects and working on, you know, parts of the demo, and then, well, maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago we started compiling it into one big demo, you know.
Okay. Hey, is this your first party?
No, it's my third.
And you think this is the best party or not?
Oh, well, it's the biggest, and it's quite a nice party, you know. It lacks some sleeping places, you know, but yeah, I think it's like the best.
Did you expect it was like this, or did you expect others?
I didn't know what to expect really. It's very different from last year, and this is my second party, and when I expected something similar to last year.
Do you expect a hard competition?
Yeah, that's for sure. There's many brilliant people around, and they all do really great works.
Will you come next year?
I hope so.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, we wish you good luck with your demo and hope to speak to you later.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But it should work.
Yeah, it should work.
There's no reason why it shouldn't.
I mean, it worked perfect on this one. And
Yeah, but actually it's pretty strange it didn't work on this.
yeah.
It's very common. It's not graphics card.
Yeah.
No, hey.
Is this going to be on the videotape? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna buy.
But you can show what
Is your group going to release anything at the party?
Well, we have a four-track music competition, a multi-track music competition, and a graphics.
Okay, I see. So you are here only to show your group's stuff, or do you have any other meaning for your visit here?
Well, I'm trying to work out a deal with the members of Future Crew and the other organizers of Assembly as to having Assembly America late December '95 or in San Diego.
In San Diego, is that near where you live?
Yes, it's only about an hour away.
Okay, I see. So, what do you think about the party so far?
I like it.
You like it? Is this what you expected?
More so.
How come?
Well, there's a lot of people here. Well, that goes without saying. But, you know, it's very interesting. It's what I like.
Okay. Thanks for the interview and have a good time here.
I will. Thanks.